Good morning, everyone. It's Ruben from Longoria Cards and Stuff. We're at day 21 of Spooky Rips. Still looking for this Max Crosby pumpkin card or the candy parallel. Ashton Jeanty rookie. Still can't find it. We got Tua, Frankie Louvu, and Ashton Jeanty. The one I've been looking for. Alright. I will take it. Alright. Let's see what we get for basketball. Start off with Kyrie Irving. Ooh, Jalen Williams, very nice. John Collins. Alright, follow us tomorrow for day 22. But in day number 21, we got the Ashton Jeanty rookie card.